Twitter, the most happening social media platform, is the hotcake that can help you attract audience, increase your social engagement, and sales. Embed your Twitter feed easily on your WordPress website with the help of the most sophisticated all-in-one social media tool, WPSocialNinja. First of all, go to WPSocialNinja from your WordPress dashboard. Now, click on the Twitter icon from the Social Feeds section. A new box will pop up. Click on Connect New Account and choose from two different methods. We have attached a documentation link in the description on how to connect your Twitter account. Once you connect your Twitter account, you're all set to create an amazing template. Click on Add New Template from the pop-up box. Go to Source first and select your feed type from 4 different options. If you choose User Timeline, you need to write down the username in the box. But for Home Timeline, you don't have to choose anything. Again, if you want to show tweets with specific hashtags, you need to choose the hashtag feed type and write the specific hashtag in the box. However, if you go for mentions, you don't have to do anything. Now that you have chosen your desired feed type, set the number of tweets you want to show in your feed from Total Feed and click Fetch Tweets. Your tweets are ready to be displayed. Pretty amazing, right? Let's see how the template setting works. Click on the template settings and a new settings bar will come out. Here, you can choose your favorite layout type from 3 different options. You get parallax as your default template style. If you are going for standard layout type, you can display your tweets on your website, just like it's on your Twitter. If you are going for carousel, you get a whole set of settings panel. From carousel settings, enable the autoplay option if you want your tweets to get automatically played on your front end, and then set the autoplay speed. But if you choose masonry from the template style, then you can customize the number of columns and columns gap from the template settings bar. Let's move on to filters section. Set the number of tweets to display as you like and choose the post order from 5 different options. Our detailed feed settings will let you design your feed according to your wish. Turn on the display avatar image, author name for audiences to know who tweeted the tweet. Now, if you want to open your tweets in either a new tab or in a pop-up window, then simply choose the one between the 2 options from the drop-down. WPSocialNinja lets you choose whether to display images, videos, and even GIFs. Simple, isn't it? Let's head to the header settings now. For the header settings, you need to enable display header first. Then a new settings bar will come out. You can proudly show off your banner image, avatar image by enabling the buttons. Similarly, display your name and username easily by turning on the display name and display username buttons. In the same way, if you are not comfortable showing off your number of tweets, followings, and followers, then turn off the respective buttons. Our feed styling is almost ready, but we haven't customized the most important button yet. That is the follow button. First of all, you need to enable the display follow button. You can decide where to show the follow button and what text it should have. Well, we are almost at the end of the video. Choose your desired pagination type from 3 different options so that your audience can have a smooth experience. Make sure to save the template. Then copy the shortcode and paste it on either a post or a page, and let's see how it looks on the front end. Don't you think embedding your Twitter feeds gave your website a brand new look? See how amazing your website looks. This is all from us today. See you in the next video with another exciting topic. Till then, stay tuned.